Hello and welcome back to my series on making an MP3 player in Java. So just to recap pretty quickly here, in the last video what we did is we made the general layout of everything, and we have panels in where we want to put stuff. So if I were to go to Photoshop here and make a box, say this is our window, we have a panel up here for like music info. We have a panel over here for the file manager, and then we have a panel down here for the controls for the music, and we have a panel over here for the song selection and choosing what song you want. Okay, so yeah, we have that, and if I run it here, you should see it pops up empty because we don't have anything in those panels yet. Yeah, so what I want to do today is, I know I said I wanted to get a start on this up here, but we can't actually do that unless we have our files and our music directory. So, what I want to get a start on today is I want to set up our file directory and opening that file. So maybe we have a J button to do so in our file manager or what have you. But I just want to have a directory so that we can get a list of songs. We can see how many there are. We can see their names, etc., etc. So to start off here, we want to import java.io.file. Like that. We need this here, and up here somewhere we're just gonna let's make a or before we do this, let's go ahead and make our directory. So let's make it here. I'm gonna call it music folder. How about that? Pretty easy. So over here I'm going to have file music folder directory equals new file, and the path to our music folder is going to be src/music folder, like so. Okay, so now that we have this, we can go ahead and we can open it if we want. We can have it open whenever we want here. So the way that we can do that is we can do desktop.get desktop.open, and then we have our file here, so that'd be music folder directory, like that. Okay, so oh yeah, and we have to throw this exception or have a try catch here, but I don't really want to have a try catch, so we can just throw this. Or actually, let's go ahead and make a try catch. So over here, let's surround it with try catch, and so if it catches the error here, I want it to give us I want it to print the stack trace. Yeah, okay, so that looks good. Now, if I run this, it should open our directory alongside this here. There we go. So we have our directory here. Alright, awesome. So, what we can do now is we can have a button to do this instead of having to do this every time. So to do this, let's have a J button in our file manager panel here. So right here, we can go ahead and have our J button. So J button open file path equals new J button. Or we can have open music folder. equals new J button, open music folder for the text here. Alright, that's pretty simple. So now let's add it to our file manager panel. So J file manager panel dot add open music folder. Let's call it open music folder button, just to kind of clarify here. Okay. Right here, let's have open music folder button to add action listener, and we can have our action listener right here, so we can make it like do what we want it to do. So we can do public void action performed action event E, and in here we can write what we want it to do. We want to import action event right here and import action listener. Oh, we already have action listener and action event. Okay, alright. So over here we can do at override, and then or I think at override comes before this here, like that. And then we can have what we want it to do here, and we want it to do this. Alright, and we have to call this something other than E, because E's already up here. So we can call it EX. Alright. And let's open it, and now we have our open music folder button. It opens our music folder. Alright, that's awesome. That's exactly what we wanted it to do. Okay, so let's just say, like right now, I kind of want to have a variable that gives us or how about when we open it, I want it to get an array of all of the MP3s that we have. So to do this, I want to have our file right here, our directory path, and so we can do a file array music files equals music folder dir.list files here. So this will create an array of our files that are in the our directory. Okay, so now that we have this, I can run it here. No, it's debug mode. Let's close that. Okay, so I can run it here, and I actually have a few MP3s that I want to move into here, so I can just scoot them up in here. There we go. And now I'm going to close it and close this. And let's just say I want to print out the files, the music files. So let's see here. Whenever I open it, just to make sure this is working, I want to get a list of the music files in our console here. So we can do system.out.println music files, or we can do println, and then we can do for file f in, we can do for file f in music files. Let's go ahead and print the name of the file, f system.out, or this should be outside of our print statement here. There we go. System.out f.out.println, f.getName. Okay, so this will print the name of our files, just to make sure that we have all of them detected. And there we go. Here's all of our files that we detected here. Here are all of our MP3s. Yeah, perfect. So now that we have that done, we can get a start on a whole bunch of other things here. But today I'm just going to leave it at this. So pretty simple, but huge leap here. So even though we didn't really do too much, it's great that we actually got this part done, because this is the foundation of our entire program here. Because we're going to be opening the files, we're going to be, playing the MP3s, we're going to be pausing them, we're going to be, getting the names of them so that we can have them appear on the screen. So we're going to do so much with this. And, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!